Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm John from DIY Build and Repair. Today I have for you this Bluetooth speaker from AliExpress. It's a Zealot product. I looked at some videos on YouTube and people were saying it's pretty bassy, it sounds great, and I was like, hell, why not buy it? It was pretty cheap. So I ordered it, it came. I'm not that impressed, to be honest. It doesn't feel that cheap, but it's not a premium product. So yeah, I had to test it a bit. It sounds okay. It's not nothing special. So yeah, we have the power button here. We have the mode select. We can choose the modes because we have different inputs here. We have USB, we have micro SD, we have the line-in, auxiliary, and the charge port. The charge port is micro USB. Okay. I like it has this rubber thingy covering. Okay. Now we have the volume up and down. So if you short press, it's volume up and volume down. If you long press, it changes the track. Okay. Here you can select the modes. If you have two of these, you have a combination, I think, with the M button that is gonna pair them both, so we have stereo sound. Okay, and here is the hands-free option, like here, hands-free, because you have a hole here for a microphone and you can answer a call or close the, well, hang up from this button. Yeah, what else I want to say is that when you connect it to the phone, it sounds okay with no interruptions, nothing at all. But when you connect it to the PC, it has a bit of a cut. It's not. It doesn't have a great flow. Something is jittery there. I don't know exactly how to explain it. I'm gonna show you after you see the comparisons between this. I have a JBL Go first edition and an LG PK3. So I'm gonna compare this one with those. After that, I'm gonna show you what I mean by not working as good on the PC as on the phone. That's available on the Windows PC and on the Mac as well. So I don't know what the problem is, but it's something you should know about. Okay. Okay guys, so if you remember, I told you about the speaker not sounding quite as right as it should on the PC, on Bluetooth. Yeah, well, it doesn't do that anymore. Now that I wanna record it, it doesn't do it anymore. Listen now.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head, constantly thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let it when I'll take a stab. I wanna chase the bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I gotta taste and that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch.
Yep, no clue. So, you know, if it works, it works. If it's a bit weird, well, it might fix itself. I don't know. China. Amazing. Okay guys, this was it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you can make a decision for yourselves if this is worth it or not. If you ask me, the prices today of Bluetooth speakers went really up. So for a fraction of a JBL price or something else, I'd say it's okay. Yeah, if you don't want to spend too much money on a Bluetooth speaker. So don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and see you next time guys.